Good old Thailand. It's blue skies, it's sandy beaches, limestone cliffs. I'm here celebrating my 40th birthday with my family, except I'm not. That's a chalk cliff. I'm in sunny Margate in the UK. I'm not in Thailand, and I think we all know why in 2020 that's not possible. I absolutely love Thailand, and one of the main reasons for me is the food. It's so special, it's spicy, it's fresh. The intoxicating smell of food being cooked over charcoal in the streets, it's just unbeatable. If I can't go to Thailand, then I'm going to bring Thailand to me. I'm having a staycation here in the UK, where I'm going to bring the Thai cooking experience here to the beach. Let's do it. Today I'm doing Gai Yang, which is Thai grilled chicken. The Kamado Joe Jr. is perfect for this type of cook because it almost acts like a smoky oven, giving you that lovely char grilled flavour whilst ensuring a nice even cook throughout. You certainly can't do that on a disposable barbecue. While the Kamado Joe Jr. is coming up to temperature, we're going to prepare the marinade. Now I'm using these classic Thai ingredients of lemongrass, garlic and chilli, and to that we're going to add some coriander roots. I've got some of this palm sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, ketchup mayonnaise and some peppercorns. It's going to give us that perfect balance of salty, spicy and sweet. Chop your fresh ingredients ready for the pestle and mortar. Obviously the smaller you chop your ingredients, the easier you're going to make life for yourself. Or you could make life for yourself even easier by just bringing one from home. This is exactly what I've done here. Spatchcocking a chicken is really easy. Essentially we're just going to remove the backbone from the chicken. So take yourself some nice sharp poultry scissors and just cut all the way down that backbone, and we're going to cut down either side. So just all the way through, and then again on the other side. Just making sure you get a nice clean break all the way through, like so. And then all we do is take that last little end bit off. And then it's just a case of turning the bird over and just pushing it flat. So get it as flat as you can, and then just push down with your hands until you hear a crack, and there you go. That is your spatchcock chicken. First of all, we're going to make some incisions into the chicken. This helps the marinade to penetrate deeper, but also helps it cook quicker, and you get that lovely flavour and lovely charred crispy bits because you've scored the skin. Now we're going to take our chicken and just pop it into a casserole dish, and this is where we add our marinade. Now remember, you want to reserve half of this marinade for basting, so we're just going to pour some of that into a bowl. And then the other half, we're just going to smother all over this chicken, on the underside and on the skin and all that flesh. So just flip that over and just rub that in all over the chicken. And that is pretty much it. That is our chicken ready for the grill. Kamado Joe Jr. is up to temperature, so now we're going to get the chicken in. And all we're going to do is we're going to place it bone side down, because the bone is going to act as a heat deflector, ensuring that the meat is protected from the direct heat. You can hear the sizzle, the smell is incredible. So all that's left now is to close the lid, grab a beer and chill. The chicken's done. So now's the time to take it off and let it rest. Oh, look at that. Now in Thailand they would just bring out the cleaver, smash this to bits and stick it in the bag with a dipping sauce, and away you go. I'm going to be a bit more gentle. I'm going to slice this nice and easily, and then we're going to garnish it with some chilies, coriander and a sweet chili sauce. But just look at that chicken and how juicy that is, and the smells coming off of this are incredible. Oh man, this tastes so good. Thailand might be 6,000 miles away, but it certainly doesn't feel like it right now. And you know what? The UK is a great place for a staycation, and the Kamado Joe just makes it a joy cooking on the beach.